Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to apply your own strip lashes. So what you'll need to eyeliner if you decide that you want to wear eyeliner, mascara, lash glue, and of course your lashes. I'm going to be showing you how I apply my strip lashes, so hopefully this helps you out. There are just some makeup looks that are not complete without a lash, so when I wear eyeshadow, I just feel like it's not complete without a nice strip lash. I personally prefer strip lashes over individual lashes just because I have curly lashes and I just feel like the individual lashes, they don't really look flattering on me because I have such curly lashes. But with strip lashes, there's so many different styles. I'm able to take them on and off every day and wash my face. That's another thing. Like when I wash my face, I go in. If you're new here, I am a licensed esthetician. So yeah, skincare is pretty serious over here. And when I wash my face, I go in, so I can't tiptoe around the individual lash extensions. I need to get in there. So I already have eyeliner on. I like to put my eyeliner on before I put on my lashes. I like to put my eyeliner on before I apply my lashes because it's just easier for me. And afterwards, if I feel like I need to apply more eyeliner, then I will do that. Same with mascara. I apply mascara before I apply my lashes because it's just easier for me, and of course I can always go back in afterwards and apply more if I feel like I need to. I do want to mention that it's also nice as a beginner if you are comfortable putting eyeliner on your top lid to put it on when you're doing your lashes, because that way if you apply the lashes kind of crooked, you can't really tell because you have a black eyeliner to kind of help conceal that. So that's a little hack when just starting out wearing strip lashes, is to wear eyeliner, and that'll help conceal like if the lashes are kind of crooked on your eyelid. Alright, so I have my mascara on. As a beginner applying strip lashes, I recommend using demi wispies. You may not know like what style lash you like just yet, but demi wispies, they are awesome for beginners because they're a little bit more on the natural side. They're not doing too much, but they still have some kind of drama to them. And then if you feel like the demi wispies are still not enough, you can always stack them. I've stacked my lashes before, my demi wispies, and yeah, demi wispies are a great starter lash. But today I am going in with a more dramatic lash. I got these lashes in like a multi-pack at, where was it? Marshall's? I think it was Marshall's. I got this pack of lashes, so I'm going to apply them. So the first step to applying strip lashes, which I don't do, but I feel like I should tell you and tell you to do this, and if you like doing this you can, or if you need to do this then you can. But you want to first take the lash out. You first want to take the lash out the pack and make sure that it actually fits on your eyelid, and you would trim off whatever you don't need from the end of the lash. I don't do that. I just apply the lash straight onto my eyes and I've been fine. Sometimes I do have it where it's the inner corner of my eye, but for the most part I've been okay with not trimming my lashes, but if you need to, definitely do that. I don't use any fancy tools when I'm applying my lash. I just use my hands. I just feel like I have more control this way, so I apply my lashes by hand, and I just make sure that I grab my lash in the middle. I prefer to use a clear lash glue, and this way if I mess up, because sometimes, like especially when you're first starting out wearing strip lashes, like sometimes you don't get it placed right away. Even now, and I've been applying strip lashes to my eyes for a while, sometimes I don't get it on there the right way the first time, and if I was using a black lash glue, then I would definitely mess up the rest of my makeup. So I prefer to use a white or clear lash glue. This one is nice because it is a brush on lash glue. I just go ahead and apply the lash glue to the lash. I usually go in twice with the lash glue. And what you don't want to do is try to apply the lash on right away. You want to let it get a little tacky first. So once you apply lash glue to one lash, go ahead and start applying lash glue to the other lash. And by the time you're done doing that, then the first lash should be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this lash back onto the tray, grab the next lash. I just realized that as I'm filming this video that a football game is on the TV right now, so hopefully that is not too distracting. Here's that lash with the lash glue. And applying the lash glue to those lashes just now also gave our mascara more time, or even if you just applied eyeliner, it gives that more time to ensure that it's dried down. And now the next step is to grab your mirror so that we can apply these lashes. The key is to have the mirror tilted down. So let me back up. So when I apply the lash, I'm going to keep my head still for the most part and apply the lash to the top of my eyelid, like as close to the lash as possible. So keep this in mind. Your head is pretty much staying still, and then you have your mirror underneath so that you can apply that lash. So I just grabbed the lash that I applied the lash glue to first, and I look down into the mirror and apply the lash. Uh-oh, it stuck to my finger. So you can see the lashes on there, but it's not all the way on there. So we're going to adjust the lash until it's fitting how you want it to fit. And the lash is on, but there's still some gaps. So what I'm going to do is pinch the strip lash and my real lashes together as much as possible to try to bridge that gap. Pinch, pinch. And there we have the lash on. If the inner corner or the outer corner or any part of the lash starts to lift, all you have to do is take your lash glue and dot wherever it's lifting, let it dry a little bit. It dot where it's starting to lift, and then press down, press the lash down. Yeah, your lash is on, so let's get to the next one before the glue dries down too fast. Now that the lash is on, we're pressing the strip lash and our real lash together. Alright, so lashes are on. Yeah, that's how you apply your lashes. Oh yeah, that is how you apply your strip lashes. Now you don't have to rely on anybody else for your strip lash application. Just keep practicing. In the beginning, when I would apply my strip lashes, like if I was in a rush or if I was hungry, because when I'm hungry, like my hands are shaking and stuff. So if I was in a rush or my hands were shaking, I would not apply a strip lash because it would take me too long. But now it doesn't take me as long. I've done this many times. So hopefully this helps somebody out. And if you have any questions, definitely leave me a comment down below, and I will see you in my next one.